What does Al-Ilah mean? So we know what is Allah. Al-Ilah. We know Al in Arabic means what? The. But what does Ilah mean? This is now we have come to the gold. We have taken the jewelry apart, we've melted it, we come to the gold, the source. Ilah. What does Ilah mean? Yes. God. The one who's being worthy of worshipped. Now all the English translations will tell you Ilah means the one worthy of worship. So Allah means the one worthy of worshipped. No, Habibi. The word is much more deeper than this. The English translation killed it. It destroyed it. If I tell you Mexico is a country, that's it. Yeah, it's not nothing interesting there. It's a country. Allah, Al-Ilah, Ilah. The scholar said it has two possible root letters. Aliha ya'lahu. Aliha ya'lahu. This is the first possibility, which means to be in awe of something. You know when you say this is awesome, to be amazed, tahayyara, to be amazed by something. So Allah, Al-Ilah, He is the most amazing. The one who makes your jaw drop when you know who He is. He fills you with fear and with awe and with respect. This is the first meaning of Al-Ilah, Aliha ya'lahu. Then you have another meaning, Aliha ila shay. Aliha ila shay in Arabic is used when somebody is afraid of something and they go and they hide. Yes, when you're in war and you see the bullets and the bombs, you go quickly and you dig a tunnel and you hide. You have just done alihta ila al-ard. You have just sought protection on the earth. Which means Al-Ilah. Who is Al-Ilah? When the world pushes you and shoves you and squeezes you and troubles you, you go looking for your source of peace and protection and contentment. That's what Al-Ilah is. The one you go to when you are in trouble. Your SOS line, your 999, that is Al-Ilah. The one you go to for peace. The one you go to for comfort. The one you go to for contentment. The one you go to for help, for protection. This is Al-Ilah. How many of us in our lives, when something bad happens to us, the first thing we think of is our mother. Or we think of something to cool us down, something to put us to sleep, something to calm us. When there's a storm, difficult times, problems in the marriage, financial difficulties, the petrol rates are going up, the supermarket, everything is more expensive. Where do you go? The Prophet ﷺ, إِذَا حَزِبَهُ أَمْرٌ فَزِعَ إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ. When the world got tough for him, he would run away to salah. That was his peace. That was his sauna. That was his steam. That was his happiness. Salah cooled him. That is what Al-Ilah, the one you go to find peace and cool when everything gets hot and difficult. This is just one portion of the meaning of Ilah. There's a second. Some scholars said Al-Ilah comes from walaha yawlahu, which is intense love. The one who you love to such an extent it makes you forget everything else. That is Al-Walah. In Arabic, there are many words to use for love. Al-Walah in Arabic is one of the highest forms of love. It is one of the ways it's used is the love of a mother for her child. And the love of a child for their mother. Al-Hanun.